In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip objects in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or personal use, mastering how to manipulate objects on your slides can significantly enhance your presentation skills. Let's dive right in. First, you need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If you haven't already done so, locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or search for it using your computer's search function. Open it up, and you'll be ready to get started on your presentation journey. Next, you'll want to open an existing PowerPoint presentation or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, click on the New Presentation option and begin adding your photos, tables, and other content. If you're working on an existing file, simply select it from your recent documents or use the file directory to open it. Getting all your content in place is crucial before you begin rotating and flipping objects, so take a few moments to arrange your slides as desired. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Click the object that you want to rotate or flip. It could be an image, a shape, or even a text box. By selecting it, you'll notice that the Format tab pops open at the top of your PowerPoint window. Depending on the object type, this tab might be labeled as Picture Format, Shape Format, or Drawing Tools. This feature automatically adapts to the selected object, providing you with all the tools you need. Within the Format tab, you'll find the Arrange group. This is your go-to spot for organizing how objects appear on your slide. Click on the Rotate option in this group, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you multiple options. If you want to flip your selected object, you have two choices: flip vertical or flip horizontal. By choosing either of these options, you can create some fun and dynamic effects with your objects, making them appear as if they've been turned upside down or mirrored. On the other hand, if you're interested in rotating your object, you have some flexibility here as well. The drop-down menu includes quick options to rotate your object by 90 degrees in either direction. But if you need more control and precision, go for the More Rotation options. This feature will open a dialog box where you can enter a specific angle in the rotation box, allowing for exact customization. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily rotate and flip objects in PowerPoint, giving your presentations a professional and polished look. Keep practicing, and you'll become a PowerPoint pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.